Good morning, kids. Today, I'm going to other side of a town to water the trees and flowers. If I don't water them, they will dry up. Oh, it is closing, but I need to get the other side. Oh God.
Good morning, Aiden. Why are you upset?
Today, I should go to other side of town to water the trees and flowers. If I don't water them, they will dry up, but the road is closed now.
Do not worry, we will figure out. Hello, I need your help on the bridge.
Got it, Frank?
You are too heavy with water inside of your tank. Let's transfer you without tank first, then we will transfer you your tank.
No, I will not. I need water to pour trees.
Do not worry, Aiden. Helicopter will transfer you and your tank.
Okay. Great. I just finished pouring flowers. You really helped me to get the other side. Thank you. Welcome.
No problems.
Hey, it's prohibited to park here. Hey, mister. Okay, let's see.
Sir, you cannot stay in no parking area. Do you hear me, mister? Okay, I'm calling back up. Lucas, we have an interesting situation here.
Why are you not obeying the rule?
I'm not gonna do what you want. Oh no.
Let's see. I have a great idea.
The hell, man?
obey rules in future?
Yes, I will.
Do not break the rules again. That lesson he will never forget.
Sure, of course.
Let's check. Copperfield, be quick. Oh no! We can't do that. Let's call helicopter. Helicopter, get here as soon as possible. We need your help.
Let's take that container from the river. Oh no! It's so heavy.
Copperfield, we totally need Frank. I'm on my way. Don't worry, guys. I can... Oh, I need my lift to get that from the... Yes, I got it. Slowly.
Thank you, guys. You are really real city heroes.
I am angry. Oh, let's have fun.
Oh!
Oh, another one?
What?
Oh no! I must run!
You're not gonna run from me.
I must secure the city. What? Help us! Aiden is mad. He makes us freeze.
You need hurry up.
Okay. Where did he go?
In that direction.
Okay.
Hi Frank, we need your help. Freeze! You are under arrest.
No, no, no!
Be quiet. I will help you.
Oh.
Thanks, officer.
Thanks for your help.
You are welcome, Sergeant Lucas.
Jail is your new home.